Hello and welcome to our first lecture on OpenCart website development. So first we will be learning how to install OpenCart and set up in a shortest possible time. So first you have to come on Google and search OpenCart. Click on the OpenCart official website, opencart.com. Here you'll find download option. Since it is a open source, so you have all the code files available, you have complete source code available, you don't have any dependency or anything to pay. So here we have download option. So since we are using you can also download from GitHub, which is a source where you have all the free open free codes available. So I already downloaded it so that we can save time. So we also need to download another software which is XAMPP, XAMPP. This is also open source. This is a virtual server that help us debug and make any changes and test our website while it is not uploaded to a hosting that we purchase on later stage. Okay, so first what we'll do is we have both the softwares already downloaded to save time. I've already downloaded them. So you will copy and paste them to the path. I'll just highlight to you. So here, once you install XAMPP, you'll have this folder created XAMPP. So since I've already installed it, so this one is the latest one I installed. So here you will find htdocs folder. You have to come here. You have to paste uh, you have to paste here the downloaded folder. So I'll move my downloaded folder from this folder to the latest one so that I can show you all the steps from scratch so that nothing is skipped. So here we'll extract this. Since it is a zip file, extract all, extract. So while it is extracting, so so installation of XAMPP is pretty easy. Okay, so you'll come to the browser where you have the installer file. You only have to double click it. Once you double click it, you'll have this window launched. So you have to simply start Apache and MySQL. So these both services should be running in your PC so that you are able to execute and run the website locally in your PC before even hosting it over the internet. Okay. So there are some of the settings if in case this Apache is not starting for you. So you have to come to php.ini and you have to change the port here. You have to find Control F port equal to. So you'll find it here. If it is default 80 port, you have to change it to something else. I have made it 3306. Okay. Since we have XAMPP running already, so second step is creating a database. So to create a database, you have to first search localhost, then /phpMyAdmin. So once you search localhost phpMyAdmin, you will have the database window open. Here you can see multiple databases that I've already created. So here you have to simply click on databases and give a name, any name. You can say OpenCart database 1 or 2. Okay, create. So you have database created here. We have OpenCart database 2 created here already. Okay, so this is the only name that we have to memorize because we'll be using it at later stage. So here we'll check our extraction. So it is already ongoing. What we need to do is we need to know this folder name. We will copy the folder name and here we have phpMyAdmin. We'll put our file. Since our extraction is already in progress, okay, so here once the extraction is done, you will be redirected to this screen. So you'll click continue. Here you see that you have these two errors. Config.php, you need to rename these files. They are, for safety reasons, deliberately renamed to something else. So to save time, I'll go to the folder where there is already extraction available. Okay. So here we have this version, latest version that we downloaded available. We have upload folder. You see that here uh, config.conf.dist. This is the name. So we have to remove the dist. This is done, and the second one is in the admin file. Here also we have to change it. So you see we have two errors here. One, so the errors are gone. We'll click next. So continue. Okay, we have the local host, root. Leave everything default. Username admin, password admin. So by default, username and password is usually admin. Database name. So the database that we created here, you must recall was what was the name? Let us check again. PHP my admin. Here it is, OpenCart database 2. We will provide this and then we will continue. Here we will give our email address. And continue. So the installation is okay. The installation is done. See, quick. It didn't take much time. So it's only telling us to delete the installation folder so that by mistake you don't reinstall it and your settings are gone. So you have mainly two areas where you can access your website. One is front end and another is back end admin panel. So you can, the front end is where your customers will be viewing it and back end is where you'll be managing your website. First we'll view our front end. So we have clicked on go to your online shop. So wow, we have everything ready right away. Without doing anything, we have our website up and running. We have some of the products already listed, and we can see that we have, for example, this MacBook. So we have all the specifications and details. We have add to cart option. We can add it to the cart, and we can check out, proceed to checkout. See, we have this. We can remove it. We can click on checkout, view cart, checkout. So everything is already in place. See how quickly you are able to make your website. So okay, now what we'll do is we will see. So in the next tutorial, we will go over the admin panel. In the admin panel, and we'll see how to manage the products, how to create a product, how to manage other settings in our store. So we'll connect with you in the next tutorial.